Thanks, Mark, for joining us today. So today we are talking about robotic process automation discovery, specifically how to get started with RPA Discovery. And let's start with actually, what does RPA Discovery really mean?
Yeah, okay, so RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is really about taking individual tasks and then applying technology to remove redundant repeatability, so the mundane stuff that information and knowledge workers do every day. And so you're very much focused on the individual task level, but when you think about discovering business processes in order to be able to apply RPA and to drive business value, then you need to take a step back from the individual tasks and you need to think about the end-to-end process, right? And then once you've got that picture of the end-to-end process, you can zero in on the individual tasks and you can be sure that if you look at an individual task and you apply automation, that you're going to get the benefit that you expect.
So really it's almost process mapping, but then taking a closer look at the entire process map and saying, these are the spots that are repeatable, these are the spots that are mundane work that a knowledge worker doesn't necessarily have to do that we can actually automate quickly.
Yeah, exactly. So, we use discovery capabilities like IBM's BlueWorks Live to map processes, and then we can drill down on those individual tasks and we can apply wait times, cost per step, and we can generate a business case to see how much cost we can take out of an individual step as part of an end-to-end process.
And so once you've actually done this discovery and maybe implemented some of the RPA pieces and automated some of the steps, do people then go back and say, okay, let's make sure we're automating this entire process? So the end-to-end process automation with the RPA bits inside of it?
Yeah, that's certainly a step that you can take. And what we try to do at BP3 is be very empirical, right? So we look at the process, and if we think the next best thing to do is to apply RPA again to a different task to drive value, then that's what we'll do. If we see potential to orchestrate the end-to-end process, for example, to provide visibility and control of how that business process is operationalized, then that's the next technology we apply. So it very much depends on the situation and the context.
Great. Well, thanks for joining us and talking to us about RPA discovery and automation discovery overall.
Pleasure.